Charles Franklin Kettering. Charles Franklin Kettering is inventor of the electrical ignition system. The electric-driven generator is also the holder of 186 different patents. Kettering graduated from Ohio State University as an engineer and joined the National Cash Register Company in 1909. He left NCR and set up the Dayton Engineering Laboratories Company with businessman Edward A. Deeds, where he invented his most significant engine devices. Kettering's engine-driven generator provided electricity on millions of farms. In 1906, Kettering sold his company to General Motors. At GM, as a head of research, he set up and directed a central research laboratory and stayed for 31 years until his retirement in 1947. He helped develop the lightweight diesel engine that made possible the diesel locomotive, the refrigerant-free four-wheel brakes, and such other items. It was the greatest honor to Charles Franklin Kettering when General Motors Institute was renamed Kettering University in 1998. Douglas Carl Engelbart. Douglas Carl Engelbart was born on 30th January 1925 in Portland, USA. He is an American inventor of the computer mouse and the development of hypertext, networked computers, and precursors to graphical user interface. From the beginning, he was working on the human-computer interaction devices. That's why the result came out in the form of a computer mouse. He is also known as the Internet founder. He has got so many awards till today. In 2000, he was awarded with the National Medal of Technology by the then US President Bill Clinton. In 1997, he was awarded with Lemelson MIT Prize. This is the world's largest single prize for the creations. Thereafter, he received Improvements, Turing Award, Computer History Museum Fellow Award, and many more. The 85th birthday of Douglas Carl Engelbart was celebrated at the Tech Museum of Innovation. In 1988, he opened an institute which deals with the Engelbart's philosophy for boosting collective IQs. Donat Banki. Donat Banki, better known as the Hungarian engineer who invented the carburetor for the stationary engine, was born on 6 June 1859. in a village called Bakony Bank. After graduating from the Budapest University of Technology with economics, Donat Banki worked as an engineer. In collaboration with János Sonka, Donat Banki invented the carburetor in 1893. Before the successful development of the carburetor, Donat had also developed the first petrol-driven car in 1896. Later, they developed on it and designed a two-cylinder engine using the new Vic carburetor. Their plan worked successfully and they modeled the carburetor in the process, which was then produced by the Ganz and Partner Iron Foundry and Engineering Works under the name of Banki Sonka Motors. Their discovery marked every important landmark in the history of automobiles, triggering the development of many extraordinary automobile parts in later times. This innovative scientist left the world on 1st August 1922. Dr. Dennis Gabor, a British electrical engineer, Dr. Dennis Gabor worked as a scientist in the USA. He was born in Budapest, Hungary, on 5th June 1900. He studied electrical engineering in Budapest and completed his PhD in engineering from Berlin. Dr. Gabor won the 1971 Nobel Prize Award for Physics. He was the 16th Briton to have won the Nobel Prize in Physics. He was famous for his invention in development of the holographic method, that is, three-dimensional photography. He later worked as a research engineer in Germany. He joined the staff of the Imperial College in London in 1949. After his retirement in 1967, he continued connected with the Imperial College as a senior research fellow and became staff scientist of CBS Laboratories, Stamford, Con. Holography was his most important invention. Even after coming of the laser in 1960, the science became fully developed. He died on 9th February 1979. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.